Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by accepting that Xbox consoles don't use standard Bluetooth for headsets, so pick a low-latency transmitter that supports game audio. Once you have it, plug the transmitter into the controller 3.5 jack or an available USB port on the console and power the transmitter. Put your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. Make sure the LED indicates discoverable. This step matters because the transmitter bridges the console and your headset. Without it, pairing won't work. Once the transmitter shows a stable connection to your headphones, switch to the console to optimize audio. Go to Profile and System, then Settings, and under General select Volume and Audio Output, set headset format to stereo uncompressed for best compatibility. Make sure your controller volume and the chat mixer balance game versus chat the way you want. This prevents one source from overpowering the other. If your headset has a built-in mic, enable mic monitoring so you hear your own voice while testing. Now test audio by joining a party and launching a game. Listen for delay and check mic input in the Xbox Audio Devices menu. If you notice lag, make sure your transmitter and headphones support aptX low latency or use a wired 3.5 connection for chat. If the headset won't connect or chat doesn't work, restart the console and controller, repair the devices, and install any controller or console updates. One key troubleshooting tip. If mic remains dead,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.